Introduce highlight features or overview summary of DAZONGE 2 packs, Halloween Decorations Outdoor. There are features include: spooky cute outdoor Halloween decor. Welcome neighbors and trick-or-treaters with these glowing ghosts that add a charmingly eerie touch to your haunted house. They're sure to be a hit. Haunting ghosts. The kit includes adjustable tripod stands, remote control for setting a timer and lightning modes, battery-operated string lights, AA batteries not included, 4 shining, white fabric sheet and felt face for ultimate haunted look. Quick setup Halloween ghost decor. These cute ghosts feature adjustable height from 34 to 47 inch and are super easy to assemble. For outdoor use, easily secure them with included landscape stakes. Festive entryway decor. Position ghosts near your entrance to create a welcoming and festive atmosphere for guests and trick-or-treaters. Versatile Halloween decorations. These light-up ghosts are sure to be a fun addition to trick-or-treat stations, front yard displays and party photo booths. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.